Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another video on this awesome World Card Making Day 2023. And once again, I'm going to show you some Halloween cards that I made. So this time around, I used the Die of the Month set from Spellbinders for September, and it's Boolicious Fall Cupcakes. And I know you've seen a video with people who've shown these cupcakes. I think they're simply adorable. So I made a few Halloween cards with this set. So here we go. Got the first one here. They're kind of all alike, but some a little bit different. I used this little bat and the eyeball and then the ghosty and put some gems on it. I made all my cupcakes like they were vanilla. And then I put some little spellbinders glaze in the eyeball to kind of make it shine. So that's the first one. And then the second one basically uses, same items, cupcake, and this one is the cross and bones, and it says boo. And I used some glitter paper, which is from Cricut, and just made this one look kind of a little bit spooky. And then on this one, I used some the purple paper is from Anna Griffin, and then the other paper is from Basil. And I used a few different elements on this one: the witch hat and the broom and the hat, another bat. And then this one turned out really cute. I really like the colors. So like I said, some of them are the same, but just a bit different. On this one, I only have the ghosty. And then I chose to have this kind of creepy looking icing on the cupcake. I mean, gray. Come on now. I don't know if I've ever seen gray icing on anything, but I thought it went well. So once again, here's another one with just the purple eyeball. And another with the yellow eyeball. So yeah, you see I just used the same die set and just used the different elements differently. Tried to put them up. Some of them are a bit different. Here's where the ghost is wearing the witch's hat and it says boo. And then I did another 3 in a different colorway. And this time I used chocolate icing. So that may be a little bit more appetizing. And then I used this pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern from the set. And I actually popped him up on one side and then glued him onto the cupcake, which I do have down with a little bit of foam tape. And then I used some glitter drops or ephemera from my stash. These are the 3 yellow ones. I think I like this yellow with the chocolate pumpkin only because I like chocolate a lot. But it's still a white cupcake base. So these are my cards. Let me know what you think about them below. I think the recipients will like these cards. I always enjoy doing Halloween cards, almost as much as Christmas. I think Christmas stressed me out a little bit more because I make more Christmas cards than I do Halloween cards. So there we have it. Let me know what you think about using this die set up below, and have you used it? And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.